So today you're flying in a $1 million helicopter. It's called a Robinson R66, powered by a Rolls-Royce jet engine. Rolls-Royce 300 back there under the hood. So that's the scoop on your ride. Looks like light wind, so we'll just depart straight ahead here. Here we go.
Well clear.
We're about to take off, Emmy.
Yep, starting to lift up here.
Here we go. We're in the sky.
Up in the friendly skies.
All right. Look, Emma. Look at the cars. Whoa.
All right, we're off and running, headed toward the Royal Gorge. Along the way, we'll cross some zip lines doing their thing down here.
All right.
Right now, they're just trudging through the underbrush. Getting ready to do it right there.
Nice.
So we'll be doing just under 100 miles per hour here, picking up speed. By the time we get to the gorge, probably 120 miles per hour.
Oh, wow.
And then we'll go out over the rim there. The bridge and the Royal Gorge area had a fire come through about 4 years ago. You can see where it came through here. We did lose almost all of our buildings here, and all the attractions and everything did burn up. So they've rebuilt and got things back open. Good time to go see it because it's all new again. The bridge itself is 88 years old. It was okay. It was not hurt during the fire. And we're about to go over the canyon rim. Here we go.
Fremont County Traffic Station here, 72626, about 3 miles, 4 miles to the south and west, maneuvering 9,300.
Look at that, Emma. Look.
The water?
Wow.
Oh, the water.
Look how high we are. Wow.
Yep, we're about almost 2,000 feet from the water, and from the bridge we're about 800 feet.
Wow. That's amazing. Wow.
Emma?
Look, Emma, look down. Wow. That's so cool. Wow.
That's the Arkansas River down there. Got a nice flow to it today, good for rafting. If it were a little warmer, it'd be perfect. Bridge is quite busy today, look at that.
Wow.
Pikes Peak's getting some sun up on her now, see that? I went up there twice this morning for tours. Saw a bear on one of the flights.
That's Pikes Peak.
So you guys are from the Springs?
Yep.
Nice.
Oh yeah, we see that quite often.
Yeah, we show the other side.
Oh,
Oh,
A
okay.
little bit different. When we do our Christmas light tours, we move our helicopter over to Colorado Springs and fly out of there for December.
Oh, very nice.
So, you guys interested in that? Maybe it's right in your backyard there.
definitely.
Definitely.
Night flying's fun. You guys have some nice shows over there.
Oh, yeah.
Broadmoor Zoo, Seven Falls, downtown.
Corner of Kansas City, turning 7990.
The law of gravity says what goes up must come down, so we'll do that. Here we go.
Bye.
Did you have fun, Emma?
Yeah.
Good.
Was that so much fun? Yeah. Next time we'll have to do that one.
Yeah, we do a lot of those, especially in September when the aspens are changing.
Okay.
Good time of year as well. Grab a little power from that Rolls-Royce jet. right here.
Fremont County, Jim Chip 13 Tango westbound.
Fly sideways, that's fine, you know.
500 Fremont.
That was amazing.
Glad you guys made it out on such a pretty day. Really smooth on days like this. When it's hot out, it's bumpier.
Oh, is it?
So
Wow.
it's a good day for it.
Good to know. We were worried that, with the rain and stuff coming in,
Yeah.
to make it.
Well, it's been on and off, but it's nicer now than it was as far as the rain goes. We've had some pretty steady rain all day, so that's been good.
That's
Good to meet you guys.
You too. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Can't quite reach you, sorry. Thank you. I'll take your headset.
All right.